Betrayal never comes from your enemies. It comes from the people you trust the most. And when trust breaks, revenge becomes the only answer. Ethan Cole trusted his best friend Daniel like a brother. Together, they built an empire worth millions. But greed has no loyalty. And one morning, Ethan discovered everything: his money, his contracts, his future was stolen. And the thief, Daniel himself. Left with nothing but rage, Ethan disappeared. For 2 years, he watched from the shadows, studying every weakness Daniel had. And then on the night of Daniel's biggest victory, Ethan struck back. In one move, the billion-dollar deal collapsed. Daniel's empire crumbled, and Ethan revealed himself as the new owner. The same words Daniel once left on his desk. Ethan whispered back, "Don't take it personally. Business is business." Daniel lost everything. Ethan didn't just take revenge, he erased him. If this story gave you chills, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful revenge stories.